Okay, so let's do today's video. Even though I promised myself I wouldn't work on the fiberglass kit until it was fully complete, I ran out of fiberglass yesterday, and it is really solid and really sturdy, and it's pretty much complete. So I worked on the fiberglass. Me and the Afghans had a good day. I felt like I sort of bonded with them today, sort of not. It was very silent, but it was good. I don't know how to word it. I have wasted a lot of today. I have watched 2 or 3 movies, so that's depressing. But I went to church today. Church was good. I enjoyed church. I saw Father John. I had an issue with my money. My phone was flat and I couldn't transfer money, so I got Doc to send me $100, which I will obviously pay him back. Oh, my phone wasn't flat, it was another reason. I just don't want to say it in my videos. But, yeah, that's no problem. I actually ended up finding the solution, and, technically I can pay him back tomorrow. Just in case, I might hold on to the money until Thursday or Friday, and then when I get paid again, I'll send the money through to him. But thank you, Doc. It's a good gesture, and thanks for lending me that cash. Yeah, I was in church, movies, and me working on my fiberglass kit. That's really what I've done. Yeah. I don't think there's anything else really to talk about. Goodbye.